Unraveling Idioms in Academic Writing. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: idioms in academic writing. Specifically, we'll be focusing on defining what idioms are and understanding their role in academic writing. Ready to boost your vocabulary and writing style? Let's get started. Firstly, let's answer the fundamental question: what is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase or expression whose meaning cannot be understood from the ordinary meanings of the words in it. For example, kick the bucket doesn't literally mean to kick a bucket. Instead, it's an idiom that means to die. Idioms often convey figurative meanings that are distinct from their literal meanings, and these figurative meanings are generally understood by speakers of the language. Idioms are a fascinating component of any language. They often reflect cultural insights and provide a unique flavor to our conversations and writings. Despite their frequent use in everyday language, idioms can sometimes be viewed as informal expressions. However, certain idioms are appropriate and even advantageous to use in academic writing. They can make your writing more engaging and impactful, provided they are used correctly and sparingly. In academic writing, idioms can help to present information in a new or intriguing way, offering a fresh perspective or introducing nuance. However, it's crucial to use them judiciously and ensure they fit the context. Overuse or misuse of idioms could lead to confusion or misinterpretation. Remember, clarity and precision are key in academic writing. Some examples of idioms commonly used in academic writing include the bottom line, the most important fact, a double-edged sword, something that has both positive and negative consequences, and a hot topic, an issue that many people are talking about and which is usually disputed. And there we have it, a quick introduction to the world of idioms in academic writing. Remember, while idioms can enhance your academic writing, they should be used sparingly and appropriately. Ensure the idioms you use are well understood, relevant to the topic, and add value to your argument or perspective. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more videos on academic vocabulary. Until next time, happy writing!